a WikiVidi documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. La Liga. The Primera División, commonly known as La Liga and as La Liga Santander for sponsorship reasons with Santander, is the top professional association football division of the Spanish football league system. Administrated by the Liga de Fútbol Profesional, La Liga is contested by 20 teams, with the 3 lowest-placed teams relegated to the Segunda División and replaced by the top 2 teams in that division plus the winner of a playoff. A total of 62 teams have competed in La Liga since its inception. 9 teams have been crowned champions, with Real Madrid winning the title a record 33 times and Barcelona 24 times. After Athletic Bilbao claimed several titles in the league's early years, Real Madrid dominated the championship from the 1950s through to the 1980s, when Athletic and neighbors Real Sociedad each won the league twice. From the 1990s onwards, Barcelona and Real Madrid were both prominent, though La Liga also saw other champions, including Atlético Madrid, Valencia, and Deportivo de La Coruña. In the 2010s, Atlético Madrid became increasingly strong, forming a trio alongside Real Madrid and Barcelona which occupied the podium places exclusively. According to UEFA's league coefficient, La Liga has been the top league in Europe over the last 5 years and has led Europe for more years than any other country. It has also produced the continent's top-rated club more times than any other league, more than double that of second-placed Serie A. Its clubs have won the most UEFA Champions League, UEFA Europa League, UEFA Super Cup, and FIFA Club World Cup titles, and its players have accumulated the highest number of Ballon d'Or awards. La Liga is one of the most popular professional sports leagues in the world, with an average attendance of 26,741 for league matches in the 2014-15 season. This is the 6th highest of any domestic professional sports league in the world, and the 4th highest of any professional association football league in the world, behind the Bundesliga, the Premier League, and the Indian Super League. Competition format. The competition format follows the usual double round-robin format. During the course of a season, which lasts from August to May, each club plays every other club twice, once at home and once away, for a total of 38 match days. Teams receive 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, and no points for a loss. Teams are ranked by total points, with the highest-ranked club at the end of the season crowned champion. Promotion and relegation. A system of promotion and relegation exists between the Primera División and the Segunda División. The 3 lowest-placed teams in La Liga are relegated to the Segunda División, and the top 2 teams from the Segunda División promoted to La Liga, with an additional club promoted after a series of playoffs involving the 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th placed clubs. Below is a complete record of how many teams played in each season throughout the league's history. Qualifying for European competitions. The top teams in La Liga qualify for the UEFA Champions League. The 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th placed teams directly enter the group stage of UEFA Champions League. Teams placed 5th and 6th play in the UEFA Europa League, along with the cup winners. If both teams in the cup final finish in the top 6, an additional berth in the Europa League is given to the team that finishes in 7th. Foundation. In April 1927, José María Aca, a director at Arenas Club de Getxo, first proposed the idea of a national league in Spain. After much debate about the size of the league and who would take part, the Real Federación Española de Fútbol eventually agreed on the 10 teams who would form the first Primera División in 1929. Real Madrid, Barcelona, Athletic Bilbao, Real Sociedad, Arenas Club de Getxo and Real Unión were all selected as previous winners of the Copa del Rey. Atletico Madrid, Espanyol and Europa qualified as Copa del Rey runners-up and Racing de Santander qualified through a knockout competition. Only 3 of the founding clubs, Real Madrid, Barcelona, and Athletic Bilbao, have never been relegated from the Primera División. The 1930s. Although Barcelona won the very first Liga in 1929 and Real Madrid won their first titles in 1932 and 1933, It was Athletic Bilbao that set the early pace-winning Primera División in 1930, 1931, 1934 and 1936. They were also runners-up in 1932 and 1933. In 1935, Real Betis, then known as Betis Balompié, won their only title to date. Primera División was suspended during the Spanish Civil War. In 1937, the teams in the Republican area of Spain, with the notable exception of the two Madrid clubs, competed in the Mediterranean League, and Barcelona emerged as champions. 70 years later, on the 28th of September 2007, Barcelona requested the REV to recognize that title as a Liga title. This action was taken after REV was asked to recognize Levante FC's Copa de la España Libre win as equivalent to Copa del Rey trophy. Nevertheless, the governing body of Spanish football has not made an outright decision yet. The 1940s. When the Primera División resumed after the Spanish Civil War, it was Atlético Aviación, Valencia, and Sevilla that initially emerged as the strongest clubs. Atlético were only awarded a place during the 1939-40 season as a replacement for Real Oviedo, whose ground had been damaged during the war. The club subsequently won their first Liga title and retained it in 1941, while other clubs lost players to exile, execution, and as casualties of the war. The Atlético team was reinforced by a merger. The young, pre-war squad of Valencia had also remained intact and in the post-war years matured into champions, gaining 3 Liga titles in 1942, 1944, and 1947. They were also runners-up in 1948 and 1949. Sevilla also enjoyed a brief golden era, finishing as runners-up in 1940 and 1942 before winning their only title to date in 1946. By the latter part of the decade, Barcelona began to emerge as a force when they were crowned champions in 1945, 1948 and 1949. Alfredo Di Stéfano, Puskás, Kubala, and Suárez. Although Atlético Madrid, previously known as Atlético Aviación, were champions in 1950 and 1951 under Catenaccio mastermind Helenio Herrera, the 1950s saw the beginning of the Barcelona/Real Madrid dominance. During the 1930s, 1940s, and 1950s, there were strict limits imposed on foreign players. In most cases, clubs could only have 3 foreign players in their squads, meaning that at least 8 local players had to play in every game. During the 1950s, however, these rules were circumvented by Real Madrid and Barcelona, who naturalized Alfredo Di Stéfano, Ferenc Puskás, and Laszlo Kubala. Inspired by Kubala, Barca won the title in 1952 and 1953. Di Stéfano, Puskás, Raymond Kopa and Francisco Gento formed the nucleus of the Real Madrid team that dominated the second half of the 1950s. Madrid won the first division for the first time as Real Madrid in 1954 and retained its title in 1955. They were winners again in 1957 and 1958, with only Athletic Bilbao interrupting their sequence. During this period, Real Madrid also won an unprecedented 5 consecutive European Cups. Barcelona, with a team coached by Helenio Herrera and featuring Luis Suárez, won the title in 1959 and 1960. The Madrid years. Between 1961 and 1980, Real Madrid dominated the Primera División, being crowned champions 14 times, although their only European Cup triumph during this era came in 1966, a sharp contrast to their 5 successive victories in the competition, starting with the first final in 1956. This included a 5-in-a-row sequence from 1961 to 1965 and 2 3-in-a-row sequences. During this era, only Atlético Madrid offered Real Madrid any serious challenge, adding 4 more titles to their tally in 1966, 1970, 1973, and 1977. Of the other clubs, only Valencia in 1971 and the Johan Cruyff-inspired Barcelona of 1974 managed to break the dominance of Real Madrid. The 1980s. The Madrid winning sequence was ended more significantly in 1981 when Real Sociedad won their first ever title. They retained it in 1982, and their 2 in a row was followed by another by their fellow Basques Athletic Bilbao. who won back-to-back titles in 1983 and 1984. Terry Venables led Barcelona to a solitary title in 1985 before Real Madrid won again, another 5-in-a-row sequence with a team guided by Leo Beenhakker and including Hugo Sanchez and the legendary La Quinta del Buitre, Emilio Butragueño, Manolo Sanchez, Martín Vázquez, Michel and Miguel Pardiza. The 1990s. Johan Cruyff returned to Barcelona as manager in 1988, and assembled the legendary Dream Team. Cruyff introduced players like Pep Guardiola, José Mari Bakero, Ksiki Begiristain, Andoni Goicoechea, Ronald Koeman, Michael Laudrup, Romario, and Risto Stoichkov. This team won Primera División 4 times between 1991 and 1994 and won the European Cup in 1992. Laudrup then moved to arch-rivals Real Madrid, and helped them end Barcelona's run in 1995. Atletico Madrid won their 9th Primera División title in 1996 before Real Madrid added another Liga trophy to their cabinet in 1997. After the success of Cruyff, another Dutchman Ajax manager Louis van Gaal arrived at the Camp Nou, and with the talents of Luis Figo, Luis Enrique, and Rivaldo, Barcelona again won the title in 1998 and 1999. The 2000s. As Primera División entered a new century, the Big Two of Real Madrid and Barcelona found themselves facing new challenges. Between 1993 and 2004, Deportivo La Coruña finished in the top 3 on 10 occasions, a better record than either Real Madrid or Barcelona, and in 2000, under Javier Ureta, they became the 9th team to be crowned champions. Real Madrid won 2 more Liga titles in 2001 and 2003, and also the UEFA Champions League in 2000 and 2002, and won their 30th league title in 2007 after a 3-year drought. They were challenged by a re-emerging Valencia in both competitions. Under the management of Hector Cúper, Valencia finished as Champions League runners-up in 2000 and 2001. His successor, Rafael Benitez, built on this and led the club to a Liga title in 2002 and winning the double with the league title and the UEFA Cup in 2004. The 2004-05 season saw a resurgent Barcelona, inspired by the brilliant Ronaldinho, win their first title of the new century, in addition to the Liga Champions League double in 2005-06. With world-class players like Raúl, Ruud van Nistelrooy and Gonzalo Higuaín, Real Madrid won back-to-back La Liga titles in 2006-07 and 2007-08 season. Under Pep Guardiola's Dream Team, powered by La Masia talents such as Lionel Messi, Xavi, and Andrés Iniesta, Barcelona added 3 straight Liga titles. Teams. A total of 20 teams contest the league in its current season, including the top 17 sides from the 2016-17 season and 3 promoted from the 2016-17 Segunda División. These are 2 clubs promoted directly from that division, and the winner of the playoffs, Getafe. Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?